Did you know the African Grey Parrot can outsmart some children? These birds are legendary for their ability to mimic hundreds of words, sounds, and even voices with stunning accuracy. Scientists say some African greys have the intelligence of a 5-year-old, solving puzzles and remembering names for years. Their memory is so sharp, they can repeat conversations from months ago. But their gift is also a responsibility. These parrots need love and mental challenges every day. Would you trust a bird to remember your secrets? Tell us what you'd teach an African grey to say.